This video covers the basic installation steps for Fisher & Paykel range hoods. Please refer to Installation Manual 104253D for complete instructions. Please observe all safety warnings in the installation manual and abide by all state and local codes. Be sure the power is turned off before beginning this installation. Carefully unpack the hood and ensure all install components are present. Measure up from the top of the cooking surface to where you want the bottom of the hood to be, keeping in mind that it must be between a minimum 24 and 11/16 for ducted and 26 and 7/8 for recirculating, up to a maximum of 43 and 1/16 inches. Make a straight line at this mark using a level. On a protective surface, turn the hood upside down and remove the grease filters. Place a piece of masking tape on the bottom of the rear trim of the hood for marking purposes as seen here. Measure the hood and mark the exact middle of the hood on the masking tape. You will use this mark to center the hood on the wall. Ensure any countertops or appliances below the installation area are sufficiently protected before proceeding. Find the exact center between the cabinetry and make a vertical line using a level. Using the supplied install manual, make markings for the screw holes relative to the center and bottom lines. Locate the anchors and screws and install them if no studs are present in the marked locations. Partially install the upper ventilation hood attachment mounting screws as seen here. Now carefully hang the hood on these screws and then tighten them. Insert and tighten the lower attachment mounting screws. Carefully insert the power supply wires into the connection box on the top of the hood, as seen here. Connect the wires with the supplied wire nuts, white to white, black to black, and green to green or bare wire. Replace the connection box cover and fasten with the screws. Locate the screw holes on the top of the hood and fasten the connection box there, as seen here. Set the duct adapter in place, fasten, and seal with aluminum tape. Mark the positions of the screw holes for the chimney brackets using the supplied install manual. Drill the holes and insert the anchors if needed. Fasten the chimney brackets in the proper locations. Connect the approved ducting to the adapter and run the ducting outside. Remove the protective tape from the top of the hood and chimney pieces. Set the chimney in place and bend the tabs on the top of the chimney to connect with the brackets. Attach the upper chimney extensions as needed. Remove the protective tape from the bottom of the hood. Insert both grease filters as seen here. Turn on the lights and ensure proper fan functioning.